Bron chikanshemezo RDC wa Rukungiri nagira ngo tarikuja kwitira umuntu wena rukushomankura sente zo muntu wa burijo nuko kurabura bazirire kuzigaruza abatakagire kubaronda
kuba umubazi imwe mu kwe muzipire kandi ashaka kandi tinenda ngo muze kunanka twayikayo abantu bagira bati baje mwanyamura bamanye imwe bo murakega sente hitimura bamanye abantu abo mucurubize mu sente murabamanye mwe n'ubwo busente kabenshobe mukabyo busente butari bwanyu kandi ubwo busente buratepa kugarurirwa bakama babo aho there is no compromise.
RDC chikanshemezo nagira ngo mhigo gwo kwiga babona bire sente abantu kubaiza PDM naza kukora mu district yona
icyo cha PDM titwaza kujyate titwaza kukikiriza kandi ikindi nyowe byo kugira ngo nze kucika tibiriho ha complaining umuntu umwe kakucika kindamanye n'inja bugizirota abo yibiri nambwe ebiro bishatu turenda kuselectinga mu emeruka ena ya nyachenyi turaza gukora emeruka ena ya nyachenyi turaza kugikirizanga nabo tubamanyisa yo natandike gombora ndaza kugikora nje mare
several times. No one doesn't know, and we reached a time when we said now we wait, whoever is got we take disciplinary action. And I think some of you have been disciplined. We have interdicted people, others have been forwarded for disciplinary action by the appointing authority.
Bamombe miruka bashiro mu rukiko ru nabo bine bagambire
rubantigana uyo usoritije makumyatero y'umuno muterera ukwija kubaho ukugira ngo bamuhereze nabanye kwezo ko kitase
token
so ibyo byora nzitinga sente
on the other side obuto aheruka bamukatira ngo at least household yagire mu sente kandi arabataka bwini
mubanze zabari
kongera babwini kandi bari abatakagize
kiriro mugayibera
yes
wanya Kenya ndagambara ukura complaints nyingi waza kachitimba hano mushangu mu kabwine sewisha but mine bwine seru ikume na mushanju seru ari mu household yinche ni rutome mu household igana 5
umugandi kano katabaza imekurugom iso wahabwira bejo butosha kwetwaza kurunki bahwero kwigura impanda yo businguzi abire nabwa nabeji ba Metropolitan University muri Mbarara.
You meet younger people, they tell you for the attempt that I want you to mentor me. Me Katabazi, I went to school without shoes, so I mentor you to do what? To walk barefoot? I read my books on Todowa. Now you have electricity. I mentor you to go back and read on the Todowa. We are using in secondary school pressure lamps. Now they can't exist. They are in the museum. So I mentor you to do what? Each generation must discover its mission, fulfill it or betray it.
Ogwashabira beji kureka kwetwarizo michwe ibata kwetegereza cyakubasa kutamagara gabo mukabi.
People who divide people according to religion, to tribe, to culture, are meant to be the head boys of Satan. And if you give them space around you, you will become their child. And this is what has led to the confusion we had in this country.
Went Samuel in Ramah and said to him, "Look, you are getting example, so then appoint a king to rule over us, so that we will have a king as other countries have."
Gashakwa Dan basibye na aliwaswa.